Okay, we're back on this Chevy Equinox 2012 where the shop diagnosed, or they think, it was a high pressure transducer 3-wire switch on the AC that was causing the fan to come on all the time. And they changed it. I recovered it, called me in there. This is about the 6th or 7th video. And the fan is still on. Even when I turn off the ignition and pull out the key, this fan stays on high for quite a while. They said they've seen some YouTube videos talking about the switch, and so that's why they called me up to recover the refrigerant, take it out so they could throw a switch on there. It still has a high fan. The air conditioning is still not working. I filled it back up. And remember from the previous videos when I did the recovery, I took 600 grams out of here. It calls for 650 grams, so there's no problem there. It should have been working. It was 42 degrees. Now it's a nice toasty 48 degrees, nice and sunny t-shirt weather. Break out the sunscreen and an umbrella. So it's nice 52 degrees inside the shop with the engine heat coming off here. Cook some marshmallows. Let's see. So now, at least they know it's not their high pressure transducer switch causing the fan to come on. They didn't even know about the AC not working, and they still have the problem with the plug. The drain is not releasing water out of the HVAC box, and so they got this washing water sound, and there was a rat nest inside the filter. So now at least I could tell them that their switch is not their problem, and YouTube is not always the best place to go to fix things. But I did tell them, look up TSBs, do some research. It's time to break out the trouble tree and diagnostics, break out a wiring schematic, and find out what causes this fan to come out high. It's probably more than one reason, more than one sensor. The AC clutch is not even coming on. This is a variable displacement compressor, and it does have a mechanical clutch, but it is not even coming on, so I have no pressure differences. But I'm ready to go and get out here and get to my next job, and they have some explaining to do and some diagnostics, and actually time to read. RTFM. Sometimes we could guess and we get away with it and we get lucky, but sometimes this is one that's going to bite the shop in the ass, and they're going to wish they never jumped into it, because getting into heavy wiring schematics and diagnosis and drivability problems is not this shop's specialty. And sometimes when you try to do more, you get bit. But at least I'm able to tell them it has nothing to do with the air conditioning as for the refrigerant charge or that switch, that the clutch is not even being called for engagement, unless it's being called for engagement and the field coil is dead. So they'll have to go to the connector at the clutch coil at the wiring harness and seeing if it's getting a signal. If it's getting 12 volts there and it's not coming on, it's the coil. If it's not getting a signal, it's upstream. And then just keep going backwards in the system and find out where the wiring schematic leads you to. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Oh yeah, my battery went down in my other one. I had to start over again because I started to release refrigerant and my other battery went out, and I had to recover it again and recharge it correctly, because it's always good to have 2 or 3 of everything in your vehicle, so you always have backup and redundant backup. Backup to your backup.